Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to add Kaspa to your Zelcore. It's quite easy to get this done by using your browser. Once you've opened up your browser, log on to zelcore.io, link in the description of the video, and you're met with the web page where you can simply download for the App Store or Apple products and get it on Google Play. So once you click on get on Google Play, you can easily install or download the Zelcore app. Once you've clicked on open, you're taken to the portfolio overview, where by simply clicking on add assets and add asset again. Once you've clicked on add assets and add assets again, you're taken to a menu or the crypto page where you can simply select any cryptocurrency you wish to add. I've already added the Kaspa token, so you're going to have to manually find the Kaspa token on the screen. Once you've done that, scroll to the bottom and you'd find the Kaspa token there. Once there, click on the Kaspa token, and once you've clicked on the Kaspa token, you can find the send and receive options. All you need to do now to deposit Kaspa tokens on this wallet is pretty easy. Minimize and open up the centralized exchange, which is KuCoin. That is where I hold some of my Kaspa tokens. Once the KuCoin app opens, I'm going to be showing you how you can send from KuCoin to your Kaspa. All you need to do is head to the assets menu, but you must have an account first. So if you do not have an account on KuCoin, make sure you register and verify your account using our link to stand a chance to claim 3,200 USDT worth of welcome bonuses. So guys, with the app opened, head over to the assets menu where your Kaspa is stored. Scroll from the overview to the funding or trading, depending on where your Kaspa is. Once you found your Kaspa and the amount, head back to the overview, click on the withdrawal option that you see, click on the Kaspa, which is available for withdrawal. The address, we're going to be getting it from Zelcore. So all you need to do is minimize, open up your Zelcore app, and with the Zelcore opened up, scroll down, select the Kaspa token that you've added, and simply copy the wallet address. So once you've performed the copying of the wallet address, you simply minimize and open up your KuCoin once more, paste the address here. Once you've pasted the address, enter the network, which is Kaspa, and the minimum withdrawal is 20. So simply put in the minimum withdrawal and click on the withdrawal option. By doing this, we get to add Kaspa to our Zelcore app, and a simple reload would show that the Kaspa has been added to your wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.